Okay, the weights of the potatoes collected from 100 are shown in the tables. There's the weights, there's the frequency. A, complete the cumulative frequency. Okay, so cumulative frequency means you add up your frequency. So 4 plus 8 is 12, plus 11 is 23, plus 13 is 36, plus 10 is 46, plus 32 is 78, plus 10 is 88, plus 8 is 96, plus 4 is 100. Now there's a good check that you've done it correctly. This should be the same as the total, so we know there should be in 100. So we're probably fairly confident we've got that right. Now we're going to draw the cumulative frequency graph. And the way to do that is you plot the cumulative frequency above the upper boundary of each class. So it has to be this upper boundary. Okay, so we're going to use all of those when we're plotting. So above 10, 4, 20, 12, etc. Okay, so above 10, 4, you've got to be careful. On this scale, 1 square represents 2. So there's 4. Above 20, 12. Okay, that's where most people are going to go wrong. That's using the wrong scale. 23 above 30. So there's 22. There's 24. So halfway between will be 23. 36 above 40. 46 above 50. 78. 88. 96, and above 90, 100. Okay, and then you've got to draw yourself a nice smooth curve. Okay, so top part nice and easy. It's that way. Turn the page around to give me a nice curve down the bottom here. Okay, and then join them up in the middle to make a nice smooth curve. Okay, so that's the first part. Then we're asked the next, find the median. Now to find the median you've got to go halfway up the cumulative frequency. So halfway up is 50. So we're going to come across from 50. Okay, we'll see where it hits the graph here. And that's where it's coming out there, and that is 52. Now, you don't need to worry if you don't get exactly 52. Okay, the way this is marked in the exam is whatever your reading is when you hit your graph from 50, your examiner, if you've read it correctly, then they will give you the marks. Okay, so that was the median, so that's 52. Okay, part 2 then is the interquartile range. Okay, so the interquartile range is at the quarters. Okay, so the quarter point here is going to be 25. Okay, so there's 22, 4, and then halfway will be 25. Okay, so that's my lower quartile. Okay, and it's coming in exactly 32. Now the upper quartile then would be 25, 75 onto 50. So there's 75. There we go. Okay, so reading across to there. Okay, it hits the curve just inside. Okay, so it's on 60. So then to work out the interquartile range, you subtract the upper and lower quartiles. Okay, so it's going to be 60, take away 32, which is 48. Okay, now the last part of the question, estimate the number just that are at least, not less than 45, but are at least or greater than 45. Okay, now we'll go back to our table. We can get from the table, if we go up from 45, okay, so there's 45 to our curve, there's 45, okay, and it's coming across at 40. Okay, so that's how many people have a weight less, or many potatoes were less than 45. There was 40 less than 45. 40 less than 45. So all the rest above that must have been greater. So 100 take away 40 is 60. So there must have been 60 people had a value greater than 45. Now that at least then would be where a lot of people would have failed down there. Okay, going through the rest, people would forget to get both quartiles to subtract them there. Okay, and that would be the most common mistake.